Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by switching to the most stable link. Plug in Ethernet if available because physical links cut wireless jitter. Once connected, run a baseline ping to 8. 8. 8. 8 to measure current latency and packet loss, and note the MS values. Then make sure to close any streaming, large downloads, or cloud sync processes on your device. These often inflate ping. While you do that, disable VPNs temporarily to see native latency, because VPN routing can add tens to hundreds. Once you have a baseline, run traceroute toward your game or service to locate the hop where delays or packet loss occur. That tells you whether the issue is local, ISP side, or beyond. Next, restart your modem and router to clear transient routing problems, and update router firmware so you're on the latest fixes. Make sure quality of service is configured to prioritize gaming or voice traffic, and switch DNS to a fast resolver like 1 to shave off lookup delays. You finish by hardening your setup. Assign a static IP to the gaming device and configure port forwarding, or enable UPnP so traffic takes a consistent path. Then test from another device on the same network and, if possible, from a mobile hotspot to determine whether the ISP or your local network is at fault. If problems persist, collect your ping and traceroute logs with timestamps and contact your ISP. Provide the data and test times so they can escalate routing or line issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.